2025 Civil Service Reviewer Analytical Ability. Question number 1. Statements. Statement number 1. Some fruits are vegetables. Statement number 2. All vegetables are healthy. Conclusion. Some fruits are healthy. Second conclusion. Some vegetables are fruits. Okay, which conclusions follows? Letter A, only one. B, only two. C, both 1 and 2. Or D, neither 1 or 2. The correct answer is letter C, both 1 and 2. Okay, so as you can see, the conclusion 1, some fruits are healthy. So yung fruits, katabi niya yung healthy. So dumikit siya sa circle ng healthy. So the conclusion 1 is correct. And then conclusion 2, some vegetables are fruits. So vegetables and fruit are also together. So that is why the answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. 2025 Civil Service Reviewer for August examination is already available mga ka-reviewer for only 99 pesos. 70% off tayo ngayon. Complete and updated na ang ating reviewer na may kasama pang mock exam na updated din. Ang kagandahan po sa ating reviewer ay downloadable and printable na. Sobrang sulit nito mga ka-reviewer at legit. How to avail? Kindly direct message us on our TikTok account or Facebook page para makahabol kayo sa aming big promo. Message us now